Hey there, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to check your hard disk serial number on Windows 11. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Step 1. First, click on the search icon in your taskbar, type SMAD in the search bar, and open the command prompt. Step 2. Once the command prompt window is open, type the following command, wmic disk drive get serial number. Then hit enter. This will display the serial number of your hard disk. Step 3. If you'd like more detailed information, you can type this command instead. wmic disk drive get name, manufacturer, model, interface type, serial number. Hit enter, and you'll see not only the serial number but also the drive's name, manufacturer, model, and interface type. That's it. It's as simple as that to check your hard disk serial number on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials.